I feel like the customer service is outstanding. I feel there's a huge level of respect. When I do come here, I feel like I am treated very, very well. I don't have a huge knowledge of auto repair issues and how cars work, and so I do trust those that service my vehicle to be experts in their field. And they're not only that, but I think that they also treat their customers with kindness and respect. There's a lot of education that happens. When I do have an issue with my car, they will take the time to explain to me what the issue is and why it's happening and my options to fix it. They never persuade me or try to, some places can be a little pushy, and they've never done that. They always give me my options and recommend what needs to be done.
I think the shop is different because it does have that perfect blend of like old school knowledge. I could come here with an older vehicle and they know exactly how to take care of it, and then I'll have the newer vehicle that has a million computer modules and things in it, and they have the computer knowledge and the computer capability to talk to fancier cars, if you will, and make them work like it's the factory computer. And that leaves me a big peace of mind knowing that it's in as good a hands as the dealer, if not better.
The most important thing to me is trust and honesty. Not just throwing parts at things, but finding the cause of what was really wrong. I've always been comfortable right from the start here, which I can't say about most mechanic places. That free loaner car program is outstanding, but sometimes there's only so many cars they can have. They always make sure you get a ride home or a ride back when you need one.
They're honest and their prices are reasonable. They make it convenient and they do excellent work, and they do have the warranty. And all that stuff together, plus they're gonna text me when it's ready, the whole bit. I really appreciate that. I've used the loaner, and then the one day they didn't have a loaner at the time, and you know what they did? They sent an Uber over to pick me up. That was amazing. They paid for, I'm like, what? You're gonna pay for me to get? So that's the above and beyond.
They take the time to kind of listen to you, and they take the time to explain everything. Because I don't know nothing about the vehicle except for driving it, okay? So when I have an issue, it's really good to be able to say, this is what's happening. They'll explain it to you and break it down, which is really good. So I like that they break down what's wrong, what needs to be done, what's happening. So I appreciate that. I ain't going nowhere else.
I think I started coming right after they opened. It's like 12, 13 years now. I've actually brought them 3 different cars. My kids come here. I recommend this place all the time. And I also say they've got a really good program with hybrids and electric cars with the batteries and all. I recommend for that reason too.
Once you build that trust and you have that good rapport or the relationship with people, it goes a long way, because you can trust them and keep coming back to them, and the car's in good shape. They send a text message with the detailed reports, and they print them out when I get here, and they give all the details of what's needed to be done and what's more of a priority and what is less of a priority, and they put it all together, and then I can look at it and piecemeal the repairs as we go. Yeah, so I like doing business with them.